Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of rational functions and vertical asymptotes. Let's solve it together. In the xy plane, the graph of a rational function f has a vertical asymptote at x equals negative 14. Which of the following could be an expression for f of x? So, if you're talking about a vertical asymptote, you're looking at the rational function. Let's say this is a and b. We're talking about the denominator, not the numerator. So b must have in it something when you solve it for 0, that's going to give you negative 14. So it must be x plus 14. Why? In the denominator, a's doesn't matter again. Why? Because x plus 14, when you solve for 0, and you will need to take away 14 from both sides. So as you can see, we got negative 14. So in the denominator, we're looking for x plus 14. So, and when we look at the choice, a, denominator doesn't have x plus 14, therefore the choice A will not be the answer. Choice B, it has x plus 14 in it, in the denominator, these cancels each other out. Then this is the thing we're looking for. The answer will be the choice B. But let's take a look at the choice C and D as well. This has x minus 14, and we don't need them. It's not x plus 14. Same thing, x plus 8. I mean, these cancel each other out. I don't worry about it though. I'm looking for x plus 14. So that's why the same thing needed to here. C and D are not the answer, but the choice B will be the correct answer for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.